I picked up Togi from the groomers and I realized that it's been a while since I made a house update video, and there's actually a lot to update you guys with. So the last time I did an update, we had just picked out the material for our kitchen countertops, and we're just in the middle of designing our kitchen. I shared our entire design vision for the home. I was pretty much like shopping for everything for the house. It's been about 3 months since then, and I feel like we're like 90% done with the house. We're planning to move in 2 to 3 weeks. I kind of stopped making so many vlog videos. It felt like the progress was so slow. I was like, I'm not gonna make another video until like something actually substantial happens. Our kitchen is basically 99% done. We have this beautiful custom iron door, arched theme throughout the whole house. We installed our cabinets, we have a new pantry, we did our stone, and now that it is installed, like the waterfall island, the full backsplash, I'm obsessed. Every time I stop by the house, I just stare at the kitchen and it's so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy that I went with a stone that looked unique. It's natural. It has like good energy and good vibes. Once we move in, I can start doing actual tours of the house. Here's a little before shots of the kitchen, and then here is what it is now. We literally knocked down walls. We rearranged a few things. It just feels like a completely new kitchen to me, and I love it. My first time seeing our fridge live. Oh, it's so big. Oh my god, it's so cute. I want to keep this here because it looks like Togi. He's practicing cooking. Other major updates, we redid the stairs. The stairs were from the 90s and just the color was so orange and dated. We updated to like iron balusters, and we just like restained the wooden railing so that it was a darker, more modern looking color. It was too expensive to like redo the whole thing from scratch, so I think restaining what you currently have in a new color is a perfectly great option. I'm obsessed with our new chandelier lighting. So this is what it looked like before. And the style that I was going for is like a modern Asian inspired theme, and so our chandeliers really speak modern Asian with these like paper lanterns. It was so dramatic installing these lanterns. I didn't realize that people have to climb that high to do this kind of work. It was terrifying because it was just this man like on this super high ladder doing each light, and we had 5 lights, so he had to go up 5 times, and then I had to be there to tell him like, okay, a little higher, a little lower, just to get it right, you know? But at the end, it looks so good, and then he, like the electrician, loved it too. He kept taking pictures of it afterward. I mentioned how we bought a lot of big furnitures and even our bathroom stuff from China. And so we had a day where we delivered everything from Wilson's warehouse to the house, and we started unboxing everything. Ordering all this stuff and imagining it in my head is not the same as seeing something in real life. In real life, you don't realize how big certain things are and how much space things take up. It was a lot of stuff that we moved, but once we were able to do that, then we were ready to like get started on installing our new bathrooms. We're about 90% done with the bathrooms. My 2 favorite rooms are obviously the master bathroom and then the powder bathroom. The powder bathroom is our tiniest bathroom, but I picked high quality materials, so that's probably my favorite bathroom as of right now. Today we begin install on our TV wall cabinets. So this whole room is full of cabinets right now. I shared my inspo for what I wanted that room to look like. This is what it looked like before. There was like a bar thing and then a little nook. We took out the bar and we're expanding the room so that it feels bigger as a living room. We redid some flooring downstairs. Once the bathrooms are done, we're gonna put in the carpet. We also redid the laundry rooms actually. We bought cabinets in China. It looks like a new laundry room. Almost the entire house is like remodeled. That's why it took so much work, because it was like designing it, envisioning it, planning it, shopping for everything, and then finding people to do the work and then managing the work. I go to the house maybe like 3 to 4 times a week in this past month. You're constantly going there just to check how things are going, if there's mistakes, and we're very hands-on in this process. My goal is to move in by Lunar New Year. I'm looking at February 9th for the move-in date. We'll see, TBD, but the Lunar New Year is just a great symbolic fresh start. Astrologically, astrologically, even in Chinese astrology, it's like a good time to like start something new and start a new chapter in your life. I'm excited to do actual tour videos, before and after videos for you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. I've learned so much in the past year working on this house. I feel empowered though. I feel like I could do it again. I have new skills now. I know how things work a little bit better. I trust my taste, although it's very tedious the way that I do things, but you know, it works. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next in this house series. What details do you want to see? What questions do you have? I'm just here to take you along the journey. This house marks a big new chapter in my life. Because we put so much heart and intention into designing and creating this dream space, my goal is for that house to be like creatively inspiring, to be very calm and peaceful, trying to just create those immaculate vibes of the home. And oh my god, we haven't even planned the outside yet. I'll think about that once we move in, and I may just start my gardening era, right? I may just start the flower gardening, nature, girly era. I don't know. But for now, I'm just focused on finishing the house inside so that we can move in and start our new lives. Thanks for being here on this journey. Sending you lots of love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.